Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the More button, the three dots next to the person's name in your direct messages list, to open their menu, then choose Remove Friend from the options that appear. A context menu opens with several actions available. Click Block at the bottom of that menu. A block confirmation window appears asking if you're sure you want to block this person. Click the Block button to confirm. The window closes and you'll see a brief notification saying the person has been blocked. Then a blocked icon appears next to their name in your direct messages list. Click the person's name in your direct messages list to open the conversation view. A Show Profile modal appears over the conversation, giving you the option to view their profile or unblock them. Click Unblock to remove the block. The modal closes and the conversation view updates to show an Add Friend button where you can re-add them if you want to. If you block someone by mistake, you can unblock them immediately the same way. Just open the conversation and click Unblock in the modal that appears. Blocking someone removes them from your friends list automatically, so you'll need to send them a new friend request if you want to reconnect after unblocking. You won't see any messages they sent while they were blocked, and they won't know you've blocked them unless they try to message you and notice their messages aren't going through. And that's how to block and unblock someone on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.